Hey guys, just a quick video for you today. This is a 1987 Hunter Original, chestnut brown with basswood blades finished in cherry. So really nice cherry blades. I really like these 85 to 87 originals. You can see it's 4-blade only, 1.1 amp motor. Really beautiful blade finish on these. This is before they went to the I don't know what you call them, like plywood laminate blades. So really nicely done. This is like a 12-inch schoolhouse globe. This is at the ranch house, the same place that has the little 36-inch Emerson reversible and the 48-inch Emerson, I say chain hung, it can be chain hung, but it's currently hung on a down rod. And then in the living room, a 1977 1.9 amp original. And in the kitchen, the only fan here that actually came with the house, 1981 36-inch. So, on high speed, I need to top it off with oil. I remembered everything for this trip except for extra oil to add to it. So it's making just a little bit of a shushing sound, but not too bad. Not much humming. And that's really it. This is where my parents stay, in this bedroom, and above all, I know they wanted a quiet fan. So I decided not to restore, a long nose or a round nose. They're just real picky about sound, so went for an original. Okay, going to medium. Really nice speed separation on these. Normally I wouldn't do such a tight mount against the ceiling, but because this is such a large globe, it's fine really in here having it that high. Still get tons of air circulation. And then the low speed on this fan is really a nice low. It's like 50 RPM or so. Still slowing down. Yeah, that's about it. All right, but yeah, not a restoration, just a really nice vintage fan. Really one of my favorite vintages of original, all things considered, in terms of the quality of the casting and the blades. The fact that it's 4-blade only, so it mounts nicely to the the stator. I think the only one I like more than this is the 85 model that has the smaller tag. It has the reversing switch up on top of the motor. And the reason for that is if you ever have to do a bearing service on it or do any kind of cleaning, it makes it much easier to not have to deal with all those wires going to that switch. So this just makes it a little bit more complicated having that. But yeah. Put it back to medium. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.